Verdant is a company that creates a software-hardware solution that saves energy in commercial buildings. The hardware part of the solution is a smart thermostat like this that detects occupancy. It has a passive infrared detector that we can tell if someone is in a room or not. The intelligent part of our system, and I always tell people, it's very easy to turn the air conditioning or the heating off when no one's in the room. What's hard is to make sure that people don't realize you've done that. And what you need is very smart software algorithms to make sure that guest comfort is at the top of the execution of the solution. So the way our system works is when someone leaves the room, the software is smart enough to say, hey, someone has actually left the room. We have algorithms to say, yes, they're not just going for ice, they're not just going for a quick in and out. We know they've left the room. And that's when our system goes into setback, which means we let the temperature drift. But because we know the thermodynamics of that room, we know that in certain rooms you can let it drift a lot, or in certain rooms you can't let it drift. And so what that, the end result of that is to make sure that the guest is comfortable, because when the guest comes back into the room, it better be close to that optimal temperature. And you only have a certain amount of time to do that. And because we know the thermodynamics of that room, we know exactly how much we can let that temperature drift. So there's always the balance between guest comfort and energy savings. And that's where we have over 7,000 properties done a great job in finding that balance. Our system is very tailorable. So 22 degrees might be great for someone. If for others, they want that room at 18 degrees. And depending on, what the guest wants and what the physicality of the room temperature is, that's where our system really excels. What our system does, it reduces the run times in the rooms of the HVAC system, usually by about 35 to 40%. And the end result is a 15 to 20% savings on the total energy cost of that building. And that's very significant here in Europe. We're extremely excited about Europe. There's 3.4 million hotel rooms in our focus markets that we'll be in. We're the dominant force in North America in this space. And we came to Europe to make sure that our technology works last year. We did a whole bunch of pilots in Spain, Portugal, the UK. We've done full installs in Paris and England. And what we found is that hotel owners and commercial building owners are looking for something that will save energy costs and lower their carbon footprint, as well as provide ESG hard data for their Scope 1 reporting and their ESG mandates. We're really excited about the VX4. It's a beautiful, sleek, modern design. A glass design is a glass interface that we've used in the collaboration with our Copeland engineering team. And basically, you always have smudges on these glass components, and ours is resistant to that. So that's great. It's really easy to use, and the numbers are big. It's easy to switch to fan off and on and medium and high. It's just intuitive to use. The last thing you want in the thermostat in a hotel is that it's complicated to use. And you want something that looks good, that will fit many different aesthetics, and that's exactly what we have with the VX4. One of the key benefits outside of saving a whole bunch of money is the ability to centrally control your room temperatures on the cloud. And the way we do that is very particular. We use a proprietary mesh network that uses low radio frequency, so we're able to control the in-room temperatures on the cloud, on your iPhone, on your tablet, on your PC, with a gateway that plugs into the local area network and controls up to 1,000 thermostats across your hotel. Another benefit of this proprietary mesh network is the ability to implement our system very easily. Other systems, you'll have to shut down the hotel to actually install our installation. Because of this wireless technology, you can literally install our installation 15 to 20 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes perhaps per room. We have done a full install in Paris at a 200 plus property facility during the Olympics. With other technologies, that's just not possible.
Verdant, sustainability and technology go hand in hand. We're here to help hotel rooms reduce energy wastage in heating and cooling these rooms. We're here to provide ESG data, concrete sustainability reporting with our software, with our hardware, where hoteliers can actually measure properly how much energy they're reducing in their room, on their floor, in their portfolio. We're here to essentially improve energy usage in the UK and Europe. By providing concrete data, we're helping properties measure carbon emissions. providing them with essential data helps convert that and translate that in terms of carbon footprint reduced. We have a fantastic case study on our website with a prime example of how we've saved energy. The Landmark Hotel will tell you all you need to know about how the Verdant system performs in the UK.